In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Outlook inbox. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so you can quickly tidy up your email and make your inbox easier to manage. If your mailbox is starting to feel cluttered, cleaning it up can help you find important messages faster and reduce distractions throughout the day. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the main email area. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail to go directly to your emails. This is where you'll see your inbox, your folders, and all of your recent messages. From here, start reviewing the emails or folders you no longer need. You can click through your inbox and delete specific messages that are outdated, irrelevant, or no longer useful. If you notice an entire folder that you no longer need, you can remove that as well. As you go, it helps to be intentional. Only keep emails that are still important for reference, action, or record keeping. Everything else can usually be cleared out. After deleting those messages or folders, the next step is to empty them completely. Just deleting an email doesn't always remove it permanently right away, because Outlook typically moves deleted items into the deleted items folder. So go to your deleted items folder and review it if needed. Then empty it to free up space and fully remove those emails from your mailbox. You should also check your junk email folder. Over time, that folder can collect a lot of unnecessary messages. Open it, make sure there's nothing important in it, and then empty it as well. This is a good habit because junk mail can build up quickly without you noticing. Another useful way to clean up your Outlook inbox is by creating a new folder and transferring emails into it. If you have messages you don't want sitting in your inbox but still need to keep, creating a folder is a great option. Make a new folder with a clear name that matches the type of emails you're storing, then move those messages into that folder. This helps keep your inbox cleaner without losing access to important information. Once you've deleted what you don't need, emptied your deleted items and junk email folders, and moved useful messages into a new folder, your Outlook inbox should look much more organized. A cleaner inbox makes email easier to manage and can save you time every day.